top tip for a top business mindset for you to have in your business. And in this particular video, we're going to be talking about you choosing higher or better quality positive thoughts, and recognise when you are selecting those higher quality positive thoughts. So hi, my name is Jen. If you like the sound of this video, then awesome, stick around because it's going to give you that motivation to continue forward should you hit a brick wall when it comes to how you think upstairs when you're having a tough day when it comes to business. So yeah, more to follow after this. Okay, welcome back. So my name is Jen. If you're brand new to my channel, then awesome, feel free to subscribe because actually I offer every week a weekly giveaway to 3 new subscribers, and I offer them my business bundle, which includes a lead gen fix, a business survival kit, along with 2 free trainings and also a done for you funnel. So yep, just subscribe, leave a comment and like this video as well, and hopefully I'll be sending that to you. And if you're interested and you'd like me to give you a helping hand or a good kickstart when it comes to generating those high quality leads and clients into your business because you're fed up maybe of doing things in a traditional way, for example the flyering on the streets, the word of mouth type strategy, maybe partnering up with people in your local area, then I've been there before, I get it. They are amazing strategies, however they are quite slow burning, and if you want more of a sustainable way in order to generate high quality leads and clients which brings you the results in your business, then stick around to the end and I will let you know how to sign up to the 2-week free trial. Yeah, cool. So in this particular video I want you to make you become aware that you can have tips around acknowledging the positivity that can come into your head, because sometimes, let's just say you've been in business for a while and things are not maybe going your way. Maybe you're merging, or maybe you are expanding, or maybe you are just trying to find a location, whatever it is, you just don't feel you're getting very far in your business. Or maybe it could be other things. For example, you are struggling to get your head around a certain technique or a process or a system or a program, software, whatever, and you're not having good days, you're not feeling like you're in flow. I mean, if you're working on your business every single day, that's all you can do, is just keep going forward, working on your business every single day. But if you're not getting that enjoyment, then this video is going to help you sort that out. So the first tip, so you can actually reinforce those good quality thoughts and to choose those high quality thoughts in the first place, is to tip one is to become aware of when you are getting yourself into a negative spiral. Now, a negative spiral can mean anything to anyone. It's unique to that person. And 2 people, let's say you've got 2 partners in a business, one partner could have a better mindset than the other, or they could be thinking completely different things about the business than the other person, or they could be approaching the business in a different way or have a different perspective than the other person. Like, we're all individuals here and it's not one size fits all, but you need to be able to have enough self-awareness to stop when you personally have a negative spiral. So let's just say you've got a presentation coming up, and this is a very obvious yet natural thing. You end up getting into a positive spiral if you're not too confident standing up in front of a crowd to win a contract, to win business. And for those who are just, they might have a presentation to once in a blue moon, you can feel yourself getting nervous, and you might be a few weeks into the time when you're going to be getting up on stage, or you're going to be meeting someone, a really important deal, and you might find yourself like, oh, maybe we're not good enough, maybe I'm not good enough to talk or to pitch or to win the business, or maybe you feel you're going to have that negative spiral around, I haven't done enough research, I don't feel prepared, they're not going to like me. If you're not used to standing up in front of people, if you're not used to pitching to win a deal, if you're not used to just winning business and it is out your comfort zone, this could be a typical time when you're going to end up maybe witnessing a negative spiral. And my top tip here out of 3 in this particular video is to offer or to invite you just to become aware of when you feel you're in a negative spiral and try to stop that spiral in its tracks. Because if you let that spiral continue to bring you down, into the depths of probably or maybe anxiety, which if you don't stop your spirals, your negative spirals, that can actually lead to damaging negative thought patterns like anxiety. That could be like a byproduct of negative thinking. Then that's what I'm encouraging you to do, is just to stop yourself in your tracks. And there are ways to identify your negative spiral, because sometimes you may not even be aware of what you've been thinking throughout the day. I think it's like 70,000 thoughts we have per day. I need to research that. There are thousands of thoughts that you have at any one day, so you need to make sure most of the time you have a positive mindset, because if you tip over and you have more negative than positive, it just makes sense. You're going to end up having a negative association maybe towards your business, depending on where your negative thoughts are coming from, or maybe with your own inner concept, or towards a partner, whatever it is. I'm not too sure, but you want your business to reflect the good side of you. So try not to let the spirals grip you down. So the first top tip is to, witness your negative spiral, whatever that might be. And when you realise you're there, tip number 2 can then be to change your mindset. To change your, not so much your mindset, because that's quite a big thing to do in just like a drop of a hat, is to change your mental state, like where you are in that moment. So maybe you just need a break from the computer. Maybe you just need to switch off and do something completely different. Completely remove yourself away from that environment that you've got yourself into a negative spiral in. So it could be that you could just go for a walk or hit the gym, or it could be that you need to just maybe make a smoothie or have sex, whatever it is, I don't know. Just completely just switch off, because again, when you change your state of mind in that particular moment, that will then obviously intervene and interact, or you've directly broken that spiral pattern, because you're completely doing something different. That is my second tip. If you should find yourself witnessing a negative spiral, is to change your environment, to snap out of that negative spiral. And tip number 3 is to encourage positive thoughts. So I'm not saying for you to always witness and be aware of your negative spirals, but witness and encourage when you actually have a high of positive thoughts, when you're on the way up, when you feel like you're just like on it and motivated and feeling strong. I want you as a tip number 3 on this video, is to just pat yourself on the back, be aware, like, you know what, I feel great today, I feel amazing, my positive mindset is just through the roof, and well done me for just like getting myself into this state, because it is really just a state of mind that you need to get yourself into. You don't just really wake up one day always feeling positive, because life isn't really like that on a day-to-day basis. You have to invest time in order to improve your mindset on a regular basis, and we can do this, as you know, by looking after ourselves, being surrounded by like-minded people who've got your back, who where you're exposed to like nice, great, positive, motivational type pieces of information, like videos or groups or whatever. So you have to really work on your mindset every single day. I mean, I do, I'm sure you do, I hope you do. If you're not, this is why these videos do come into play into your world. But yeah, just always work on your business and on your mindset. And when you are in a positive mindset mode, just recognise it and go, you know what, brilliant, Jen, I've recognised not only my bad spiralling negative thought patterns, but also recognise my on the go, onwards and upwards type moods as well, because you've worked hard to feel that you're feeling like you've got a positive mindset, and that you feel invincible, and that you can move forward with your business, and you can do whatever you want to do through your business. Wherever you want to see your business go, you will get there. So just witness not only the bad negative spirals you can get into, but also witness and appreciate and acknowledge your positive mindsets as well. So I hope that was okay for you for 3 top tips in this particular video. If you're wanting to again opt into that giveaway for 3 new subscribers, the business bundle would be sent to you if you are one of the 3. And also, If you wanted to browse through my courses, you can do. There's a link in the description box. It will showcase you my paid and also free courses that I do. There's also free trainings there as well. I offer loads of other bits and bobs. You can also find more information at my website, jenlillian.com. If you wanted to, I also offer a high quality lead and client generation Facebook group. Head along, the description box is below as well, and I basically help people generate those high quality leads and clients into their business. And last but not least, if you want me to help you into giving you a head start when it comes to generating high quality leads and clients into your business by building an online marketing business system, then I can do that. I just ask you to front up the £200 Facebook spend. I set up all the rest, and within the 2 weeks, if you like the results that I can get for you, then great, we can have an onward conversation. And if you don't, or we don't feel we're a good fit, then we can just walk away and just say all the best. That's how I work, results-based type coach. So if you like what you sound, feel free to find the links below, and I will see you in the next video.